feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
I'm with some hood girls looking back at it and a good girl in my tax bracket.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be styling this beautiful wig that I got from Afsister. This is my second time working with this company. I really love their wigs, and I'm putting a little bit of heat protectant on the ends of my hair, and the heat protectant that I'm using is from ORS. I usually like to wear side parts, but I was really feeling the middle part for this look. This hair is just giving me all type of natural hair vibes, y'all. Like, nobody could tell me that this hair was not going out of my scalp. I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm straightening out the ends and the edges just a little bit because it is kinky straight hair. It was a little bit too poofy and I wanted it to be a little bit smooth on the roots. The technique is very simple, ladies and gentlemen. You just wrap the hair around the wand curl, let it sit for about 6 to 10 seconds, let it drop but not all the way so it can cool in your hand for a little bit, and then you just let the curl go and go to the next one. Today I opted for bigger curls. Next time I do this look, I'll probably use a smaller wand curl, but after this I'm just going to have everything all sped up because it's pretty much just repetitive. You just wrap, hold, let it go in your hand, and drop the curl when you feel like you're ready to drop your curl. And I'm going to come back towards the end of this video. It's another Christmas holiday. Am I the only person that's ready for Christmas? Probably. It's like August and I'm talking about Christmas. Okay, so after everything is done, I just took a little bit more of that serum and I put it in my hands, and I thought I was about to have to pluck the curls out all over, but I really didn't have to. It kind of had the body that I wanted it to have, so I'm just playing around with it. You're going to see me like flip it to the sides. I wasn't really sure what look I wanted to do, but y'all, let me tell y'all, kinky straight hair is my new fave. Like, if anybody asks, yes, this hair is growing out of my scalp. It's mine. It's mine. Like, look, get into this frontal realness, get into this scalp realness, and it is a full lace wig. So if it was the summertime, I would definitely be putting some box braids in it, but I'm not even about to do that because it's wintertime and I don't really wear braids in the wintertime. But I'll have all the details linked down below so you can go get you one of these wigs. I'm telling you, sis, please go get one. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next video.